from discrete components like resistors, capacitors, diode, transistors to full project kit. Yes, you are welcome to Oku Electronics. I'm Prince, and we are your go-to destination for all things electronics. Whether you are a student, a hobbyist, or an engineer working on your next big project, in today's video, I'll walk you through who we are and why Oku Electronics is the best choice for all your tech needs. Who we are. Since 2017, Oku Electronics has been supporting students, makers, and tech enthusiasts across Ghana with top quality electronics components and custom project design services. From Arduino, Raspberry Pi, to sensors, 3D printers, power supplies, and even soldering equipment, we got everything you need to start your next big project. What we offer. Our store offers a wide range of products from discrete components like resistors, capacitors, diode, transistors to full project kit. Whether you are building your own electronics project, working on a robotic challenge or prototype the next big IoT device, we are here to help you with all the materials and guidance you need. Plus, we have a top-rated technical support team ready to answer any question. Other services. Do you need 3D printing or design services? Oku Electronics offers a comprehensive 3D printing and design services. Yes, providing tools and experts to bring your ideas to life for engineers, students, artists, hobbyists. Our 3D printing services delivers precision and versatility across various materials, ideal for prototyping, custom parts. Our design team collaborates closely with our client to refine and optimize models, troubleshoot issues, and ensure quality and affordability in the final product. Yes, so what you're seeing here is a part printed here. So behind me you can see a 3D printer here, and the material we use to print them is this here, and you see there we put some there for you to see. Are you looking for a printed circuit board like this? Yes, we got you covered. Oku Electronics offers high quality printed circuit board PCB services for professionals, student, tech enthusiasts. We provide durable and industrial standard PCB from simple single layer to complex multi-layer designs. Our team collaborates with clients to optimize layouts and ensure project compatibility, supporting both prototype and small production runs. Oku Electronics is dedicated to delivering a reliable, high-performance PCB solution for a wide range of electronics projects. Yeah, so what you're seeing in my hand is a sample of customer printed circuit board. If you don't know what PCB is, so I'll be teaching you how to design PCB like this for your project. So something like this. So let's say you have a project like this, simple PCB, become professional. Yes, meaning you are good to go. When a customer or the one you are working for see something like this, believes you, no, this guy is a serious guy. Yes. So whether you are looking for latest developed boards, DIY kits, or expert advice for your project, Oku Electronics got you covered. Don't forget to visit our website www.okuelectronics.com to explore our catalog and follow us on social media for updates, tips, and exclusive offers. Come to Oku Electronics. I want to see you. Yes, I want to see you.